Manong Jaire, back at it again with brand new episode of 10 Reasons Why Something is Cool. And today's episode, 10 Reasons Why Adober Studios is Cool, ladies and gentlemen. Bakit ko to ginagawa, mga kaunggoy? Well, it's because of this post. Yeah, basically, Adober Studios is, sadly, it's coming to an end, mga kaunggoy. What the fuck? Malungkot talaga, mga kaunggoy. And it's all because of the political bullshit. Let's not talk about the political bullshit, alright? It stinks! The political bullshit. If you wanna know my opinion is, it stinks! Pero, enough of that. Let's go to the positive, whatever, alright? Let's go to the positive thing, alright? 10 reasons why Adober Studios is cool. Reason number 0 muna tayo, mga kaunggoy. Minessage nila kami para sumali. Naalala ko to noong mga 2015 ata. Minessage nila kami. Hey, I came across your videos online. And I'm part of ABS-CBN Multimedia Division, whatever. Nakalimutan ko kung ano yung message. And hindi ko na mahanap yung screenshot na yun. It's lost in the universe. The reason why nakasali kami ng Adober Studios is because, they minessage nila kami. Reason number 1, it is part of ABS-CBN, which is also cool, maggle. Enough said. Reason number 2, they taught us a lot. Kung paano maging successful sa YouTube, kung paano maging successful YouTuber, kung how to do YouTube successfully, basta kung paano gawin yung mga ins and outs ng YouTube. Tinulungan nila kami sa pag-grow ng channel namin, and that's very cool. Thank you, Adober Studios, for that. Reason number 3, it's a family. I love my family. We love the family. It's all family. We love the family. By the way, medyo topless ako ngayon, mga kaunggoy. Ang init eh. Kaya, bear with me. Yung init ngayon, it makes me wanna kill myself. Pero, enough of that. Reason number 4. The talent managers are cool. Alam niyo yung mga MCN, di ba may mga talent managers sila, and they're very cool. Hindi sila ganun ka, alam niyo yun, hindi sila masyado formal. Formal sila, pero hindi sila masyado yung super duper formal. Alam mo yung para silang mga ate, kuya, para silang mga ang dali nila i-approach at ang dali nila kausapin and welcoming, komportable kausapin, that's pretty cool, alright? Nagiging formal sila sa tamang sitwasyon and nagiging goofy sila, fun, happy-go-lucky, they're fun, like, sa tamang sitwasyon, nagiging fun sila, and that's cool. Reason number 4, dear Adobers opportunities. Binigyan nila ako ng opportunity para, sumali sa Dear Adobers. Basically, ito yung mga, papakita ko yung mga evidence na binigyan nila ako ng opportunity at chance na makapasok sa Dear Adobers. Ito, nakikita nyo na sa screen, and thank you, Adobers, for that opportunity. Very nice, very awesome, maggle. Manong Jaire, hindi ka niya mahal. Okay, napansin ko lang to, mga kaunggoy, habang nag-e-edit ako, kaya ilalagay ko na lang to, isisingit ko na lang to sa video na ito kasi I'm a retard na hindi ko nakita to. Reason number 6, helps us with vlogs. Ano ibig sabihin nito, mga kaunggoy? Well, basically, parang tinutulungan nila kami gumawa ng vlogs. Binibigyan nila kami ng mga opportunity para makagawa ng content. Halimbawa, binibigyan kami ng opportunity ng Adobers na maka-participate sa mga events tulad nito, basta mga sinasama kami ng Adobers sa mga events na to. Opportunity namin yun para mag-vlog and gumawa ng content. So, ang laki ng tulong nila sa amin para makaisip kami ng content and everything else and our content making. And that's the bottom line. Being part of Adober Studios is fun, maggle. And we all know here in YouTube, it's all about having fun. Maggle. Hindi ka niya mahal. Reason number 7. Collabs with the big dogs. Like, nagbibigay sila ng mga opportunity sa mga small channels para makipag-collab sa mga huge, big channels, yung mga big dogs, big fish, yung mga malalaking content creators. Binibigyan nila ng chance yung mga little guys na makipag-collab sa mga, you know, the big dogs. Hindi kanya mahal! Reason number 8. G-Plana Squad thinks that Adober Studios is cool. So, it's cool. Hindi kanya mahal. Reason number 9. They love everybody. Hindi kanya mahal. They love their talents. They love their fellow, you know, work mates. They love everybody. Hindi kanya mahal. Reason number 10. The talents in Adober Studios are cool. May additional reason. Reason number 11. They became a huge part in our YouTube success journey. And that's the bottom line. It's sad to see Adober Studios go. You know, because of all the political bullshit that's going on. 2020 sucks. Hindi kanya mahal! Shit! Nakalimutan ko sabihin to mga kaunggoy. To Adober Studios, salamat po. Arigato gozaimasu. Maraming salamat po sa pagiging, you know, you became a huge part in the G-Plana Squad YouTube journey. Success journey or something. Maraming salamat po. Shoutout po sa inyo for that. And sa mga talent managers, salamat po na tiniis nyo yung kakulitan namin and parang, alam nyo yun, tinanggap nyo yung kakulitan namin and yung pagiging rowdy namin, yung pagiging tarantado namin. Ayun, maraming salamat po na tinanggap nyo po kami. You accepted us for who we are. And that doesn't happen much. Hindi yun masyado nangyayari na tinatanggap kami kung sino kami. Hindi yun masyado nangyayari. Kaya salamat po, no? Maraming salamat din po pala sa believing in us. Right? Kasi naniwala kayo, nagtiwala kayo sa amin na may potential kami. Kaya nyo kami parang kinuha. Ano ba yan? Pinapasok sa Adober Studios. Maraming salamat po doon na pinaparticipate nyo kami kasi sa tingin nyo may potential kami and that's a huge thing. Again, hindi yun masyado nangyayari sa amin na may naniniwala sa amin. It doesn't happen a lot, kaya salamat po. Maraming salamat din po sa mga opportunities. All the opportunities, Mago, all of it. Again, it's sad to hear this news, to see this news. God, I hate 2020. So, ayun, those are the 10 reasons why Adober Studios is cool. Yeah, sana mag-continue sila. Sana you know, I hope they live on, you know, whatever. And that's the bottom line because Manong Jaira said so. Like, comment, share, subscribe! Shoutout sa comment of the day. Tinatamad ako maghanap ngayon. Basta mamaya mahanap yun.
Go to Jacob! Sa camera ni Jacob! Ay! Okay.
Ewan!